Hello friends, so today we can discuss this problem from leetcode challenge minimum sum path. The problem statement states that given a m cross n grid filled with a non-negative numbers, find a path from the top left to the bottom right which minimizes the sum of all the numbers along its path. You are only allowed to move either down or right at any point of time. So let's clarify this point with this example. You are given this matrix and you have to start from the top left and you have to end at bottom right. Let's take an example in which there is only one row. In this you have the only option to move right. So in this question, if the input is 131 and only one row, you can only move right and the total sum will be 1 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 5. Now let's extend our logic to two rows. Now if you have two rows and you move from this point to this point, you can either move like this or like this or like this, and you can sum all the paths in this path. The sum is 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 7. In this path the sum is 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, and in this path 1 plus 3 4 plus 5 9 plus 1 10. So in this part 10. So the minimum is 6, and as you can see, so at each point what we can do, we can take a decision like whether we can move from here or we can move from here. So at any point in the matrix we can find out the minimum of its top cell or the left cell, and we have to add the current cell value, and we can extend this logic for the whole matrix, and this is the main logic for this question. So let's start coding. We can first, let's check the grid is not empty. If the grid size equal to 0, or if any column is equal to 0, you have to return 0, or else we can first store the dimensions. Then we can make the vector array. Now we can fill the first value, the first index of 0, 0 with the grid value, because if there is only one cell available, then only this is the possible move. Now for the first column, what we can do is we can fill it manually, because if there is only one column available, what we can do is we have to just move along it. So v of I comma 0 is equal to v of I minus 1 0 plus grid of I comma, and same for the first row. We have to move from 1 because we have filled the first value, comma n I plus plus v of 0 comma I is equal to v of and then we have to move along every unfilled path, unfilled cell of the matrix, and our main logic is every cell value is just the minimum of v I minus 1 j comma v I j minus 1. plus the grid value of that location. That's it. And we have to return E of R. A minus 1, A minus 1. That's it. Let's run this code. It's given the right answer. And it's accepted. I hope you understand the logic. If you have any doubts, please mention down in the comment box. I'll try to rectify it as soon as possible. And I'll see you in the next one.